head on my leg.
No, I didn't cry. When I was... Take that, Gunner.
Get your hips lower.
He's smiling so big. He's having so much fun. It's Gunny's turn. He's laughing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do
Gunny's
my...
turn.
Ready? Get him, Gunny.
Gunner likes more being tackled than actually doing the
Why
tackle.
don't I just do it for a while?
Okay, Gunny needs the tackle too.
Yeah, Gunner needs to tackle too.
Put your head on his hip.
Come on, little bear.
I'm doing this.
Don't put your head in front of him. Look. Put your head on his hip, wrap him up, and drive it. There you go. Hold up.
Down. I think Gunner is losing.
Gunner's not losing. Gunner's having a great time. Wait until Daddy's ready. Be careful.
Head on the hip, wrap the legs. Go.
Gunner's turn.
Yeah.
Come on,
I
Gun.
think I will not lose. I will not go down.
You will not lose.
Come on, we're coming up. Hold on.
Thank you for helping, Ty Bear. Hold on. Wait. Your feet. Oh, he thought that was funny.